Hi, Grace Frank here. Today I want to give you a quick insight into my experience as a real estate agent specializing in new construction. One of the most exciting aspects of working with new builds is seeing a project evolve from the blueprints to a finished home. It's a unique challenge to sell something that doesn't exist yet, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Collaborating closely with the builder is crucial. I need to understand every detail of the construction process, from the foundation to the finishing touches. This knowledge helps me answer potential buyers' questions and highlight the unique features of each property. The best part? Seeing the joy on buyers' faces when they walk into their brand new, never lived in home. It's not just about selling a house, it's about helping people start a new chapter in their lives. If you're looking to buy a new construction home, I hope this gives you a glimpse into what it's like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate insights.